Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: bridal satin, Ankara fabric, this is lining, scissors, paper, and a strong interfacing. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 20 inches by 13 inches. Okay, I've already ironed a strong interfacing on this Ankara fabric. Then from this point we are going to measure. From here you mark 4 inches, and from here you mark 4 inches. On that 4 inches, you're going to hold your fabric this way. Okay, you stitch it down, hold this point just a little bit, you stitch it down. You're going to do the same here, mark 4 inches, 4 inches, you hold it from this point down, you stitch on it, hold from this point down, stitch on it. This is done. This is how it looks like from the end. So we are going to fold 2 equal parts. You can pin your edge. Pin the edge, okay? Then we are going to mark 1.5 inches, 1.5 or 1.5 up. 1.5 inches. Now put it off. So that is it. Now we're going to fix the handle of the bag. And for the handle of the bag, we'll be using bridal satin. This bridal satin had already ironed a soft interfacing in it. So let's measure it. 3.5 inches by 15 inches. So what I did first, I folded into 2 equal parts. I folded the edges and I folded it on themselves. So I'm just going to stitch one part straight down. I'm also going to stitch this one straight down. When that is done, stitch it on this part that is folded. Stitch your handle there. Stitch this other one same way. When that is done, cut out your lining. Okay, should be same measurement with your fabric. which is 20 inches by 13 inches. So what you're going to do is just to make same markings I've made on the fabric. 4 inches, 4 inches, fold stitch, fold stitch, fold this part, stitch, fold this part, then you cut your 1.5 from this bottom part. I'll just stitch the lining same way. Okay, now we are going to fix zipper for the bag. Fix your zipper this way, turn it, then put your lining on it. You're going to stitch it straight down, and when you are done, you open it and top stitch on it. I've stitched and I've also top stitched. Okay, so now we're going to stitch the other part of the zip. Okay, then bring your lining to the back. So you're going to stitch. When you are done, open your zip and you top stitch on it. Stitching and top stitching on your zip. Bring out your lining. Now we are going to stitch straight down. We are going to stitch straight down. After stitching the side of your bag, it's time to stitch the bottom part. While you are stitching this bag, make sure your zip part is open inside your bag. Now I'm going to stitch the bottom part. We will leave this part so that we can turn the bag inside out from this part. I have stitched. I stitched this part and I left this part open, so I loosened some part of the lining. So I'm going to cut the excess zip. And turn the bag inside out from this opening. So now you can go back and stitch this part of your bag and stitch the bottom side also. So I have stitched it and I've stitched the bottom side. You can see, you can now turn the bag inside out. We have come to the end of this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.